And we are back at it again, folks, for another fantastic fall landscape transformation. I just wanted to take about 2 minutes of your time and show you exactly what we got going on. I found that these videos allow us to have a great before and after live video for you guys to see exactly what we were able to do. And so as I just take you through really quick, this existing area right here is going to get the beautiful Stonehurst Sierra Blend pavers. They're going to add to this landscape in a tremendous way, folks. And then also, in order to build this patio, we would have had to encase it with a retaining block. And so we went with this beautiful Anchor Diamond 9D retaining block that's going to give you the exact beauty that you're looking for when talking about a retaining wall. And so just to give you an idea how this is going to take place, just take a look really quick at what we got going on here. And it really does say that we made significant progress already, but we're going to be moving along in an exceptional way over the next several hours and through the next day or two. What's going on, Ma?
What up? You all right? How you feel?
Doing all right, man.
What up, sir?
But yeah, folks, as you can see, we got this beautiful landscape transformation taking place. I just wanted you to get a before video so that you can see for yourself exactly what we got going on, how it's going to take place. And I wanted to also have a good before video in order to give you a live before and after. And so that's what this is. And as you can see, this beautiful Anchor Diamond 9D retaining block is really going to be what encases the entire paver. Now this block here really allows for you not only to have beauty, but to also have what's necessary in order to encase this patio. Because of the grade, we were going to have to put a patio in, but we would have had to use the Anchor Diamond 9D block. So that's what we're doing. The beginning stage is just excavation, and that's what we're going to be doing over the next several hours. And you'll be able to see for yourself just exactly how we have been able to allow dirt and make dirt look good.